Now let us discuss few more question. See this one. The first question is 4-digit number. We have to form a 4-digit number using the digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No digit is repeated. And second part, how many are even, or how many of these are even? Number 1. First of all, see the solution. You need a 4-digit number. This is your 4-digit number. Ones place, 10th place, 100 place, and 1000 place. Now, using the digit 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Whenever we want to make a number, first of all we check is 0 is available or not. If you observe 0 is not available along with this number, then it means you can start your work either from the 1 side or either from the 1000 sides. It is your choice. So let us start from the ones place. Let ones place can be filled by how many numbers we need? 4. But how many we have? 5. So ones place can be filled by 5 ways. Means you can use any one of the number. After 1, then it comes to the 10th place can be filled by 4 ways. After that, 100 place can be filled by 3 ways, and 1000 place can be filled by 2 ways. Therefore, total number of ways are 5 into 4 into 3 into 2. That is equals to 5 4s are 20, 60 into 2, 120. So there are 120 ways. 120 ways means we can form 4-digit number using these 5 digits. There are 120 different numbers. Now come to the second part of the question. How many of are even? Even, in case of even, it is only possible when this ones place can be filled by 2 or 4. For even number, see, this ones place can be filled by 2 ways, because we have only 2 number, either 2 or either 4. After that, this 10th place can be filled by, now out of these 5 we use only 1, then remaining 4 are there, it is 4 ways. Next by 3 ways, next by 2 ways, 10th place, 100 place, and 1000 place by 2 ways. So total number of ways are 2 into 4 into 3 into 2. 4 3s are 12, 24 into 2, 48 ways when you need an even number. Clear? Now see this one. One more question. A committee of 8 persons. How many members are in a committee? 8 persons. In how many ways a chairman and vice chairman can be choose so that one person can hold only one position? Means one person means a chairman. If a chairman is selected, then he cannot apply for the post of vice chairman. The simple question is there. So first one, chairman can be choose by, total person are there in a committee? 8. So chairman can be choose by 8 ways, because out of 8 any one person can hold the post of chairman. So the chairman can be choose by the 8 ways. After that, vice chairman can be choose by, when one person occupy the position of chairman out of 8, then how many persons are left? There are 7 persons left. and in case of 7 we need only one vice chairman. So the number of ways with the help of which we can select vice chairman, that is 7 ways. Therefore total number of ways are 8 into 7, that is 56 ways. I hope clear. This question is quite easy. Only 2-line questions are there. Now, see the question number 3rd. Equation. A word is given to you, that is equation. EQUATION. The first question is how many words can be formed using these alphabet. The first question. First of all, we see how many alphabet are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. There are total 8 alphabet and no alphabet is repeating here. So we can simply say how many words. Total number of words can be formed using these alphabet are, that is 8 factorial, because we have 8 positions, every words having equal right. So first place can be filled by the 8 ways, or if we see like that and we make a column 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Out of these 8, anyone occupy any places. So this place can be filled by the 8 ways, next can be filled by the 7 ways, next by the 6, next by the 5, next by the 4, next by the 3, next by the 2, next by the 1. So total number of ways are 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3. 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So that is the result is equals to 8 factorial. This is the first part. Second, he say vowel occur together. Vowels occur together. See which one are the vowel. E is the vowel, U is the vowel, A is the vowel, I is the vowel. Any other vowel is left? A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O. This O is the vowel. What is left here? One Q, next is T and next is N. Now see, he say all the vowels should be occur together. So we kept all the vowel in one box, and let's treat this as a one box. So how many are there? 1, 2, 3, and this one is complete as a 4. So these 4 can be arranged themselves. Now these arrange themselves. These arrange themselves by 1, 2, 3 and 4 by 4 factorial. Now the important thing is, out of these 3, if there is any repetition, no repetition means no need to divide by anyone. Now multiply. Come to this box also. This box contains 5 different elements, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So these 5 can be arranged themselves by 5 factorials, and out of these 5 nobody is repeating, so no need to divide. 5 factorial is equals to 120, 4 factorial is equals to 24. You can multiply 48, 24, 28. So there are 2880 ways with the help of which you can say the vowels occur together. Vowel occur together.